everybody, I'm Trish from Fold Factory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. Well, with everything that's going on in the world this week, I just wanted something light and simple, kind of a breath of fresh air for everyone, and this is the piece. I think you're going to love it. This is from our friends at Domtar. This is a promotion for their Lynx sheet. This is on Lynx Cream White 80-pound cover, smooth finish, and they chose a stepped accordion format, but I'm calling it a shallow stepped accordion. So I've shown a lot of stepped accordions over the years, so that's when the panels are narrowed to create a stepped effect, and you can do it in lots of different ways. But what I really like is they did a really shallow step. So usually stepped accordions have at least a ½ inch step on them, and these are 1/4 inch steps. So they just make this light amount of texture on the edge, and because they used imagery on these panels, there's just this little peak of color and interest, and it's just like a sliver of imagery and texture. But then when you open it, it's a wonderful kind of luxurious classic 5-panel accordion. So this is a 5-panel accordion. I really like this long, luxurious proportion here. It's really nice, and there's great imagery on either side. And they're of course showing off the sheet and how it performs. But I really like this choice of format and this just simple movement of the placement of the scores to create these little shallow steps and a lot of interest. So of course this is 80 cover, needs to be scored, but otherwise just simple, easy, beautifully done. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week, shallow stepped accordion. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, download and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.